Hi guys, good evening and welcome to my latest 182 video. First of all, hopefully you're all staying safe and well and this quarantine malarkey. I thought I'd use my time off of work, because I'm furloughed currently, just to go through all my old videos and edit together loads of footage of the progress of my 182. It's going to be around about 10-minute video, maybe just over, but it's going to be lots of clips of all the little mods that I've done to this car, and I'm doing what it looked like at the very start to doing what it looked like at the very end, and I'll leave that at the end of the video as well. But yeah, I just want to do a progress throughout my YouTube career really. I think I've been doing YouTube now for about 3 years, and I'm almost at 1.7k subs, which is reasonably slow for a YouTube career, but it wasn't ever about that really. I couldn't put videos out as fast as I wanted to. Slowly but surely I've upgraded and modded the car. There's a few more bits there. One arrived yesterday, one arrived today, which we'll do a video on next, of these few parts that I'm buying that are arriving now that will be going on within this quarantine, because I've got plenty of time. The weather next week's not getting very good, but yeah, we've got a few more parts to install, which will be the next video. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. As always, if you would like to give this a like, that'd be amazing. You've been smashing them recently, and yeah, the channel is flying up, and hopefully we get to 2k subs by sort of August time. That'd be amazing, because we're doing about 140 subs a month at the moment, which is the highest it's ever been. So thank you very much to you guys. But yeah, let's get into this video and have a look at my Clio from day one all the way up to present day. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first vlog. That one in the middle one that goes all the way around. Up. They just look so pretty. Come on, baby. On, just need to get a torque wrench and torque them up. Just like that. Can we lightly put it on for a second just so I can see that it's right? Oh, that's clean! Fitted. Waiting for that red sticker. Yeah, I'll make that. Looking good. Yes, the first step of many, hopefully, but everyone needs one of these. down on my house, we're just going to store these beauties. I really like him. I think it does look a little bit funny when there's one of each on, but... So heather grey with the black vinyl hoodie, and just design halfway down the back. But that is it. They get like that and they're really annoying to clean. We are going for black. They're nice and clean, and hopefully I'll never have to worry about them again. I went with black gold. And I think it looks amazing. Sweet. I'm going to quickly show you the engine bay. It's all finished, except for obviously that one mount that still needs to go in at some point, but everything is back together and it's looking absolutely perfect. So let's check it out. And that's that, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really enjoyed editing it. It's been quite nice to look back at all the footage. A few of the videos I had to get back off of YouTube through a YouTube to MP4 converter, so the quality you probably saw dropped quite a bit. Rather than using speech and stuff like that, I used songs just to sort of flow it through a little bit more. But yeah, it was quite cool to look back. One, the way I looked and was back on the first video, but obviously all the people that have helped me throughout the progress. Everything from the exhaust to the MS Custom Engineering, everything that's underneath the bonnet pretty much. But yeah, really happy with it so far. There's plenty more I can do, but it's all a little bit more expensive now. Obviously we got remap coming, more bits for the engine bay, which is soon. I'm not going to give that away yet. Gear stick, I'm looking into different things. 0.1 Technologies, or whatever they're called, are doing a new shifter for the 182. Their shifters are quite expensive, they're about 700 quid, but I will look into that. It's either going to be a PMS, which I'll try and solve, or a 0.1 Technologies shifter, because I think a nice tall dramatic shifter would be wonderful in this car. That would be a big mod for me. And yeah, we'll see about back seats and cages and harnesses and smaller steering wheels and stuff like that at a later date. We'll see where life takes me. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. Here's the last 3 years. It's been a good run. Thank you all for subscribing, liking and commenting as you've been, and hopefully we'll just keep going forever and always. Slow and steady making videos. Obviously in this quarantine I'm making more and more, trying to do as frequent as I can, but when we go back to normal it will probably go back to one a week because of my work. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.